Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you what is Instagram Blend and how you can get it. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So Instagram Blend is simply a new feature where you can go to your conversation and you will find this blend icon. When you tap on it, your blend reel section will appear where you will be able to check out the kind of reels which goes according to both of your liking and interest, and which you can share with each other likewise, and it will simply show you the same. You can simply find this kind of notification saying that you visited your blend, which will simply go ahead and provide the notification to your chat partner as well. Now when you go to your app store, and you should be able to search Instagram, and go ahead, update your app. If your app is not up to date, that you will not be able to use this new feature by Instagram itself. It's this new feature obviously provided, and if your app is not up to date, you will not be able to access it. And there you have it. You will have the blend. Simply tap on the blend icon and start scrolling. That's it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.